Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has classified VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.65. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.01%. This equates to an average return of 0.2% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 7.07% in the upcoming 3 months, with returns expected to fall between 4.11% and 9.56%. In terms of the 12-month outlook, projections indicate a change of around 26.38% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 19.04% to 29.19%. This would result in a price range of approximately $643.71 to $698.55 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for VOO ETF Price After Monday Trading. The VOO ETF price gained approximately 0.4% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of November, 2024. It rose from $538.51 to $540.73. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by about 0.7%, with a low of $538.15 and a high of $541.93. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by over 3% in the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged, amounting to roughly $2.29 billion. It's important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices can signal divergence, potentially indicating changes in the market over the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $551.72, while the lowest price was $413.98. Currently, the price stands about 2%, or $10.99, below the 52-week high of $551.72, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 closed higher today, reflecting a positive sentiment in the market. This uptick is reinforced by Morgan Stanley's recent bullish outlook, which predicts a potential 10% gain for the S&P 500 in the near term. This optimism typically translates into increased investor confidence, which can substantially support VOO's price in both the short and long term. Moreover, the upcoming earnings from major companies like Nvidia and Walmart could further influence market direction. Strong results from these sectors could enhance overall sentiment and drive VOO's price upward as the fund tracks the S&P 500. Conversely, if results underperform, we may see a more volatile market reaction. In contrast, some stocks within the index are experiencing declines, such as Palantir, which could lead to profit-taking and temporary dips in VOO. However, Morgan Stanley's optimistic stance suggests that such fluctuations might be short-lived, as value investors are likely to seize opportunities during any pullbacks. Overall, the combination of bullish forecasts coupled with strong earnings reports positions VOO favorably for growth, while ensuring that any short-term volatility is mitigated by underlying market strength. This climate indicates a robust potential for VOO's price performance as we move forward. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. If the ETF continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $546.15. Conversely, should it decline, support can be expected from the long-term average at approximately $534.26. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a downturn below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11th, 2024, and thus far, the ETF has experienced a decline of 1.76%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 73 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 247 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at 527.57 cents. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.78 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.703%. In the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.84%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $543.36. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $527.57. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $519.48, reflecting a decrease of 3.93%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in a minimal risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is the VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. There is a reasonable chance for the VOO ETF to perform well in the short term. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of November, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by approximately 462 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $540.27. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.